This video shows the changing of the operator background based on the operator cost. I decided to use what I Googled for the text comparer control, which was two brushes having almost same color, but one being darker than the other one. In this case, I decided to have two buckets from 31 to 99 and from 11 to 30. Everything with a cost between from 99 to 31 is displayed from a darker red to a lighter red. Everything else from 30 to 11 from darker yellow to light yellow, while everything between 0 and 10 remains unchanged. On top of this, I left the display as shapes option, which will take the operators and how they are displayed and recreate them in another control, which is a proof of concept for PowerPoint. The shapes control, or PP from PowerPoint, allows user to create different shapes and connects them together via some predefined shape connectors while giving the possibility to add text and change objects' positions, and so on. For the remaining of the video, you will see me trying to remember how I can change the width of the connectors. I knew that I have the possibility to change the connector width, but I forgot from where. In the end, it was under the option for the border, which is that empty square. The pop-up displayed when that empty square is pressed contains a list of colors, but also a slider used to change the border width of the element. For the next post, I decided to bring into this SSMS like control the database table relations, which is already part of the main application, but I want to make it part of this user control too. The voice over this video comes after I am making the video using Microsoft Clipchamp, and sometimes, like now, I realize that I should have tried to modify the code to take into account the background of the operators when recreated for the shape control. By default, I am not doing that, because display as shapes code was created for hierarchical display control, where there is no modification from the default background of the text block and default foreground. Bringing the font color and text box background can be done, but as I said, I realized it only now. Maybe in the next post, if I will not forget it, I will try to implement it and present it together with table relations for an entire database or only specific table. For the remaining of the video, you will see me changing some properties of the shapes and still trying to find out the place from where I can change the width of those arrows.